Unpublish Wix website. In this video, you are going to learn how to unpublish Wix website on your mobile phone. So let's get started. First, open the Wix app and launch the Wix app mobile on your smartphone or tablet. If you are not already logged in, log into your Wix account using your credentials. Next, access your site. Once logged in, you should see a list of your websites. Tap on the website that you want to unpublish. After that, go to Settings in the website editor. Look for the setting icon usually represented by a gear or cogwheel icon. Tap on it to access the settings menu. Find publishing options within the settings menu. Look for an option related to publishing or visibility. The exact wording may vary, but it should be something like publishing options or site visibility. Unpublish your site. Within the publishing option, you should see an option to unpublish your site. Tap on it to initiate the unpublishing process. After that, confirm unpublishing. The app may prompt you to confirm that you want to unpublish your site. Confirm your decision to produce. That's it. That's how you can easily unpublish Wix website on mobile.